Today we're checking out these WeatherTech No-Drill Mud Flaps for the front and rear in black for the 2019 and newer Ram 2500. If you drive on gravel roads, you deal with slush and road salt in the winter, or you're just tired of mud and road spray getting blasted down the side of your truck, this is a simple upgrade that pays off every single time you drive, so it's definitely worth considering. The biggest feature with these is going to be the overall protection without having to drill into the truck just to install them. They are designed to shield your fenders and those rocker panels from all the junk your tires kick up, from mud to rocks and road salt. That matters because those lower areas are where paint chips start, and once paint is chipped, that's where rust and pitting can creep in over time. So if you're trying to keep your truck looking clean, keep the sides from getting sandblasted every time you drive, and avoid that beat up look after just a few seasons of driving, mud flaps are going to be a smart move. They also help cut down on spray in the rain, which helps your running boards and your steps from getting coated in grime, and it can even help you if you tow because you're reducing the amount of debris and water getting thrown back towards your trailer. Another big reason people go with this style is going to be the no-drill design from WeatherTech. You're not drilling into the painted metal or doing anything sketchy just to mount a set of flaps. These are going to be precision fit for the truck, so they're made to follow the contours and sit where they're supposed to. Instead of looking like some universal flap that's just swaying in the wind, this is a rigid molded piece that looks like it belongs on the truck and it looks like it came from the factory. That install is designed to be fast. Using the no-drill mounting setup, you can do them in just minutes without pulling the wheels off and making it a whole day project. It's one of those upgrades that's very small budget when you compare it to all the money that it's going to save you in car washes, paint damage, and long-term wear on the body. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting impact-resistant materials that are precision formed for a no-drill fit. And that's going to be layered in a thin heat shield to help protect against UV exposure so it's not going to crack or get brittle over time, and you're not going to have any heat deterioration. The overall design is built to be rugged and easy to wash off, so it can handle daily driving grime, weather, and road debris without being something that you have to check on or look after. Now, as far as the pricing goes on these, they're coming in right in that upper $100 price range. For a front and rear set that's made to fit the truck right and install without drilling, that's a really solid value compared to cheaper universal flaps that aren't gonna give you the same coverage, they don't sit right, and they can end up rubbing or looking out of place on the truck. When it comes to the install on this one, it's gonna get rated a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can get this job done in about 20 minutes of your time. Now let's head on out to the shop. We're gonna give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
For this install, you will need a ratchet, 7 and 8 millimeter sockets. All right, today we're gonna be installing some mud flaps on our Ram, so let's get started. All right, so starting off with the front, we're gonna come to the back of our front fender well. We're gonna remove the 2 factory 7 millimeter screws that are holding our trim piece on. So we've got our 7 mil socket on our ratchet, we'll get those off. Now remove our 2 screws. Now we're gonna line up our front mud flap. This is gonna sit right around our trim piece. Get that in place. And we're gonna reinstall our factory screws. Get them both started first. And we'll tighten these right back down. So now we've come to the back and we're going to remove our 2 trim screws back in our fender well, just like the front. So your flaps do have these locator tabs that are going to hook around the inside of your trim. So we'll hook that in and get our flap in place and reinstall our factory screws. So it's going to hook in right here. We'll line up our flap. Get that tab lined up. And reinstall our screws. Now once you got this side installed, you can repeat the same process for the other side. Alrighty, that about wraps up our review and install of our WeatherTech No-Drill Mud Flaps in black finish for the front and rear of your 19 to current Ram 2500 and 3500. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.